Hello and welcome to Sai Info Solution. We are recognized as number one brand in project development and training since 2005 and have 10,000 plus fully satisfied engineering students with us. We provide project for computer, IT, instrumentation and electronics with 100% assistance up to final submission. And we are known for a one-step project solution for BE, ME, PhD with training at your place. On-time delivery on your doorstep and largest success story are our key factors. We are also providing project sponsorship certificate, project report assistance, practical and theory session, live demo, IEEE paper writing, and publishing your own paper in international journals like IEEE, Springer, Scopus, etc. We are working on many different domains like data mining, IoT, cloud computing, image processing, embedded system, networking, artificial intelligence, blockchain, signal processing, and have expertise in different platforms like Java, MongoDB, Android, Python, MATLAB, .NET, Oracle, MySQL. Project developed by and guided by Mr. Santosh Gore, Director of Scienfo Solution and the Engineering Project Consultant, having specialization in MTech and PhD project with 11 years of experience and successfully developed 10,000 plus projects in BTech and MTech. Our branches are in Nasik and in Pune. Today I will show you project on real-time social distance detector and alert system. During this COVID-19 situation, everyone should maintain the social distance to be safe and secure. But on some places, social distance rule is not followed. Some people violate the rule. So this project helps to detect the social distance violation and give alert. Till the social distance not maintained, then after 3 alerts, system will capture the image. Now we will see the actual implementation.
Please keep social distance. Please keep social distance. Please keep social distance. Please keep social. Please keep social. Please keep social distance. Please keep.
And here is the capture frame. The frame name consists of the day and time at which frame is taken.